guys, this is the part 2. Nandito tayo sa Novo Cinema. No, that one is Novo Cinema. And ano doon po sila, masyadong windy, masyadong mahangin. So iniikot nila for the site inspection, guys. So ayan, ano doon sila. At andito lang ako, iikot lang ako, ayan. Nag-inspection sila doon. And ayan guys. So tayo is iikot tayo. Andito tayo sa tabi. So may mga different restaurants. So isa-isahin po natin yan guys. Napuntahan ko na ang Nablos. Ayan, dito lang muna tayo. At puro lalaki yon. Technical yon for engineer. Basta ako nakita ko na yung side ko at mga concern ko doon. At diba may i-discuss ko kay Sir Robert. Ayan. So we can see here and we can start yung mga bilihan guys. Ayan. We go here in Honey in Ali's shop. Ay, hello. Can I vlog? Can I vlog? Yeah. Yeah. Pinag Ali's shop and Altayaba shop. Yes. So this is the honey?
Yeah, honey, man.
Okay. This is the Ali shop, guys. Yeah, thank you. Wow. And also the dates, guys. So,
Honey taste, sister?
yeah, how much per kilo the honey?
No problem, this company.
Huh?
Taste?
Wow. I make the promote this one. They have
You last time take this shop?
yeah, before.
Yeah, before.
I think Alcalig.
Yeah.
You know, my Alcalig.
Yeah. Taste,
Yes,
taste.
it's very nice this one.
Nice.
This is new, ah.
Organic, yeah.
Mm.
New.
Yeah, the organic, no?
Yeah.
Mm.
This is bee honey. Bee honey.
Mm.
Yeah.
I think I have a shop here before Alcalig, no?
Yeah, same.
The same this one?
Enough, sir.
Really? Thank you,
Yeah,
brother.
How much? 1 kilo only?
No, just wait. I make a vlog and then I will ask my partner to buy here, no? You give me the contact number.
Yeah, this is.
This one. This is your WhatsApp?
Yeah.
Yeah. So how about the dates? How much per this one?
This
For
is
example.
40 real.
Huh?
40 real.
40 real?
Yeah.
So this one per kilo, no? The
Yeah.
honey.
Yeah, kilo.
Mm.
Take 1 kilo.
No. Yeah, later. And they have a kasoy, guys. Ayan, very nice this one. So, how much per box?
This is 45.
45. If I buy, for
1 kilo.
for example, 50 pieces like this, how much?
25.
This last price,
20 there.
20. I think 15 this one.
No, my cost 60, 18 there.
Yeah, you came here in this shop. It's very nice that they have a lot of
Yeah.
dates. Honey's good. This is more on
Yemeni.
yeah, Yemeni. Yeah, I handled this one before with I think Alcalig,
Yeah.
no, company
Yeah.
with Mr. Jabber, you know?
Yeah.
You know him?
Yeah.
So this is the new shop na.
New.
Okay.
Come
So
on.
yes, of course. He's my very good friend.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this one is Al-Ali shop. Yeah,
Al-Ali
okay
shop.
guys, came here. And also the other side, Altayaba shop, guys.
Yeah.
Okay, can I see? Yeah, this is, sorry, yeah, we'll go.
Kalas,
And-
you come this shop, huh?
Yes, of course. And Altayaba shop. Yeah, hello.
Number 1.
How are you? From where?
From Yemen,
It's so-
Qatar, Oman.
Yemen? I
Yemen.
make a vlog, it's okay?
Yeah, Yemen,
Okay.
Qatar, Oman.
Okay. This is the Altayab also, guys. Wala. Please come here, guys. Okay. So, yeah. This one is very, very nice. Altayab shop, guys. Wow. How much per gallon?
Which one?
1 gallon, 1 kilo, like that? The honey.
100
Huh?
100
100?
Yeah. 100.
No mixed brown sugar, ah? This is a purely, ah?
20 years, dancing
20 years.
Okay, I know Yemen is very good about the honey. All the Yemeni. Okay. Yeah.
You need
So,
how many kg?
only I vlogs, I help you to market, no, your shop. Yeah. Before I have a shop here, one of my boss. Yes, I need this one, no. And then because I need something gift for my friends about the dates, honey, no. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you, thank you. Ayan. So, nakakuha na tayo. And also, pare-pareho lang sila guys. The Gala. This one, Gala Dates Honey Gray. And also, LBM Mosaic K Dates Honey. Hello! This is Yemini also? Okay. And please come here in IBN Mosaic and dates and honey guys. Ayan, very nice. So this shop more on honey and dates. Yeah, we can check here. We can try how much. This is a natural na.
Yes, just try.
No, it's okay.
Not Samsung shop.
Give me,
Just try.
yeah, give me your business card
And
also.
just little bit. Just try. Just little bit.
Yeah, papatikimin daw nila ako. And subscribe my YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Yeah, I will market this one also. This one very different, huh?
Yes. It's original email.
Huh?
Original email. Original.
I want to see that one. Can you show me?
This.
It's okay. I will.
Honeycomb.
Yeah, it's okay. I will take the video.
Yes. Yes.
See, if you can see, very purely different, something different like this, no?
Yes.
How much like this?
This one 65.
And that one?
That one 200. Yeah. Because this is from Yemen.
Wow. Grabe. Give me your card. This is your card?
Yes.
Okay. This is the card. This is the last one. First time I eat this one, brother.
Really?
Yes. Okay, guys. This is my first time to eat. Okay. So, please come here of this shop. The last shop here, no? In Sukwaki. Let's see. Let's see. Kailangan natin tikman.
These bags.
Wow. Grabe. Ang sarap, guys. Super sarap. Grabe. Sobra. How much again the one piece?
This one 65.
That one. Ay, free taste that
This
one.
one. This one 200.
Okay, guys. Here in what name of this one?
This is Ibn Mosaic.
Yeah, Ibna Mushaika. Yeah, this one. The dates and honey, guys. So, this one, the honey. Ito, make up pasalubong, guys. Ayan. You buy before you go in vacation. The special, the dates here. And, see. What is this?
This one fig.
Huh?
Fig.
Meaning?
Fig. F-I-G. Fig.
F-I-G?
Fig.
Ay, hindi ko alam. Fig.
This is fig.
This is first time I see, guys. Grabe. This is eating also?
Yeah, I think.
This is for food. Dates? No.
Which one?
This one.
This is. This
Sweets
not
also?
This is like sweet types. This is sweet. This are we calling?
I'm very curious of this one. The Arabic call is tin. Tin, no?
Yes. Tea.
Yeah. So this
This
one for one
one is
girl. Yeah. And very nice the honey. I'm very confused. This one, no? Too much. Wala. Promise. That one is 200. This one is 150. And then the dates is how much the dates? This one. And let's go, guys. Come here in this shop and you make the pasalubong, no?
And Kashmiri honey 180 real like.
180, the 1 gallon.
80 real Kashmiri honey. 1
Ah.
kilo 80 real only.
Yeah.
And the 100 real like.
Yes, this is a very purely bees, honey bees, no?
And the Yemeni honey
Yeah.
200 and 300 real.
Okay, 200. And then you can mix salin here in the bottle, small bottle. You buy that one and then you can put it here in the jar, same like this, oh. The benefits of the honey is very nice, guys. So, I will come back, brother, ah.
Oh.
Okay, hi to all the Bangladesh. I love Bangladesh. Thank you, brother. Subscribe. Thank you for subscribe. Yeah, here in LBN Mushrif. Ayan, may difference silang mga ano. Yan, this. And this all shop. Actually, all the products is good, but they have a different taste. But this one is something different. I like this one. Wala. Alchimini Cedar Honey. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.